So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we'll discuss how to run Google on the CLI. Yes, you can run Google in a CLI, google.com. Why it is useful? See, most of the server in our office environment is not connected to Google. Okay, those are in a private network, not in a public network. But there are some server which is connected to public network, which are accessible to public network like Google and these things. So you can open those things. But you always get the CLI. How you will check Google is working or not? So there is a package elinks. Okay, then you can put www.google.com. Hit the enter key. Okay, page has opened. Now you have to go move cursor by cursor. Hit the location here. Then you can type Linux commands. Hit the enter key. Yes, you got the output like this. You can go, this is the page is showing. Okay, link. Okay, this is how you can search 40 basic Linux command hostingers. It is showing, so you are able to see these are the commands: cp, mv, rmdir, rm, touch, locate, find, grab, du. So content you are showing in a text format. If you want to come out from this, press Q for exit. It will want, like, it will show, do you want to really exit? Yes, you came out of that. Okay, and you can use elinks without any parameter. Then you have to give URL, like I want to open Facebook. Let's see, facebook.com. Oh, it has opened. It is asking for username and password here. Okay, so that's it. You can open CLI mode. Okay, and because you will not get the GUI, so you will get the text. Okay, so that's how we can use, but this is not the default package comes in. By default this command will not work. You have to install one package. That package installation we will see in the coming videos. Okay, I think we have covered most of our commands video. In few days we will move forward and we will start learning the process, command, daemons, and some config file. Then actual work will start. Keep practicing. This is the fun video for checking the Google in a CLI mode. Check it. It is fun doing this type of activity. See you in the next video. Bye bye.